How to use the bundled lesson plans. Let's look at the components of the bundle. Learning targets. Learning targets answer the guided questions of a PLC. What do we want students to learn? How will we know if they learned it? What will we do if they don't? And what will we do if they already know it? Teacher Tracker. Keep track of student mastery of the learning targets. Fill in students' names. Check the box when the students master a learning target, and form small groups quickly. Student Matrix. Students self-assess at the beginning and the end of the unit. I can statements, rubric, and evidence of learning. Planning Calendar. This tells you when to teach each learning target in the unit. Guided math pacing is included. Each calendar has these components: daily activity, clear learning targets, topics, and guided math ideas. Instructions for whole class teaching strategies. Common strategies that make whole group teaching engaging. Most activities take 10 to 15 minutes to teach, giving you time to pull small groups or practice working math problems. Let's look at a day. Each day has a cover sheet to help you plan your lesson. The learning objective, materials, whole class, guided math, intervention, enrichment, and a close. Many lessons follow this template. They give ideas and suggestions to teach the concept. They follow the TEKS, so you know your students will not miss a piece of instruction. Let's look at the parts: objective, connection, teaching point, active engagement, and a link to ongoing student work. Assessments for learning. Exit tickets for assessments for learning. Find out immediately if your students are struggling. Answer keys are included.